Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make the Windows Start and all pin icons of Taskbar smaller in size in Windows 11 PC. So without further delay, let's begin. Right now you can see the default icon size of the respective Windows Start as well as all the pin icons of this Taskbar. This is the normal icon size. So in order to make this Windows Start and all these pin icons smaller in size, what you need to do is just open the settings and just click on the system. Just scroll down below and just click on this about. Once again scroll down below. So kindly update to this Windows 11 version number. So in my case you can see you need to update to this 25H2 or higher than that, and after that just click on this personalization. Just scroll down below again. Now you can see your Taskbar. Just click on it. Once again scroll down below again. Now you can see your Taskbar behaviors. Just click on it. Scroll down below again. Now you can see here one option, so smaller Taskbar buttons. So by default you can see when Taskbar is full, it's being selected. Now just click on this down arrow icon. Now click on this always. Now you can see all the Taskbar icons as well as the Windows Start icon size has been changed into smaller in size, as you can see right now. So if you want to restore it back, just click on this option and just select when Taskbar is full, or you can select never also. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily make the Windows Start and all pin icons of Taskbar smaller in size in Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.